The skin under your eyes is so thin and sensitive. If you don't take care of it well, in time you will experience dark circle, eye wrinkle, and eye bag. Therefore, it will cause you look older than your real age. Stress, lack of sleep, dehydration, and being exposed to the sunlight are some of factors extremely damaging the skin. Hello, here's the Imahlan channel, and today I wanna teach you how to make useful gelatin mask with some simple ingredients. To begin, add a glass of milk into your pot, a tablespoon of honey, rose water, and a tablespoon of gelatin powder to your ingredients. Mix your ingredients well enough and let it boil with a low heat for 3 minutes. Then put your ingredients aside to let it cool. Now spread a nylon into a plate and add some drops of coconut oil to lubricate it. You can also use almond oil or olive oil instead. Now pour your ingredients into the nylon and place it into a refrigerator for 2 hours. Split the mask just the way I did, so you can easily use it under your eyes. Before you use it, wet some cotton with rose water and use it to wet underneath your eyes to help the absorption of your mask. Now put on your mask. After 20 minutes, clean it with tissue and wash the remaining leftover with water. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Until the next time.